Hey folks, it's Duke here from GeoFolks. Today we're going to work on using a Python expression to automate entering fields into an ArcGIS attribute table based on another field. So we see here we have a region code. And so what we want to do is, based on a certain coded number, we want to enter the name of the region. So we'll look up what the region codes represent here. We can see region code of 1 equals Northeast, 2 Midwest, 3 South, and 4 West, and so on and so on. So what we want to do is, if it has a region code of 1, if the polygon has a region code of 1, we'll enter in Northeast. We could go through and type this in. And maybe for 56 states or territories, that's not that bad. But we can also use the calculate fields function to do this. So first we'll type in Reclass. We'll put an open and close parentheses behind Reclass, and we'll put the field we want to draw the variable from within those parentheses. In our case, that variable will be that coded region field. And then we'll type in this code block. So we'll break down this code block on our right. So we'll type DEF, which stands for define function. And this will be the reclass function we called above. So we'll type reclass, open and close parentheses. And then we'll type our variable within the parentheses, which is region in our case. And after the last parentheses, we'll type a colon. We'll click enter. And then we'll start our if and else if statement. So we'll type if, open and close parentheses, region, which is our variable, is equal to, in this case, we'll do double equal signs because our field with the code is a text field. We'll go single quotation marks, the variable we want, in our case 1, and then close the quotation marks and put a colon after. And then we'll hit enter again and type return. If our region is equal to 1, we will return Northeast. So in single quotation marks, we'll put Northeast. After we have this return statement, we can hit enter and type else if. So what happens if our region is not equal to 1? So again, we'll open and close parentheses, type region, double equal sign, 2. And then we can return Midwest. Things to note: if your field, which contains the data you're trying to reference into the function, is not a text field, you can use a single equal sign. For example, if it's a number field. Our data set originally just had the region code within a text field instead of a number field. So to break the code block down again, we have DEF, which stands for define reclass. We have the variable we're using, and then we start an if, else if statement. So if region is equal to 1, then we return Northeast. If region is equal to 2, we return Midwest. If region is equal to 3, South, then West, and U.S. islands, and so on. And so this is the expression we'll use to calculate and to type in the names. We'll verify the expression, and then we'll click apply. We'll want to check to see that it worked. We can see that it did based on our check, so we can hit OK. This is just a quick way to enter in values of fields based on other fields using the field calculator. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.